What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Average Homeowner's YouTube channel. My name's Eric, and today I'm giving you my fast and honest review on the Rubbermaid Fasttrack system that you see behind me here. Now, as always, I've got links for this and a ton of other products in the descriptions of my videos, so if you're gonna go ahead and try it, go ahead and buy it through that link. It helps the channel out, helps the channel grow, and me continue to make videos like this for you in the future. Now, let me get down to it. If you want to see my video of assembly and hanging all this stuff on the Rubbermaid Fasttrack system, I'm going to link to that video at the end of this one. This is just a review, so bear with me. I have found the Rubbermaid Fasttrack system to be awesome for a variety of my needs. It installed easily using a metal rail with a composite snap over that the hooks actually clamp onto. It has held a variety, as you can see behind me. I've got a ton of different things on there. I've got a power washer driveway cleaner, I've got my weed eaters, I've got my electric weed eaters, my maul, my shovels. It holds almost anything and is adaptable to almost anything you need to hang or store on the wall. The other thing I found incredibly impressive was the amount of weight this thing holds. I mean, if you just think about how much weight's up there, this thing is durable. You just wanna make sure you put 2 screws on every stud and you'll be just fine. But I think this is a great addition to any home garage storage system or any garage or shop that you're building. This is something you definitely want to try to meet all of your storage solutions. As always, if there's anything you'd like to see me review, go ahead and drop that in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. It helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.